Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the OneTouch Verio mid-control solution. This solution helps ensure your blood glucose meter and test strips are working correctly, providing accurate readings. Before you begin, gather your OneTouch Verio meter, a new OneTouch Verio test strip, and the OneTouch Verio mid-control solution. Always check the expiration dates on both the test strips and the control solution to ensure they are still valid for use. Proper preparation is key for reliable results. Now, let's perform the test. First, insert a new OneTouch Verio test strip into your meter. Wait for the meter to display the flashing blood drop symbol. Next, gently shake the control solution vial and remove the cap. Squeeze the vial to dispense one small drop onto the top edge of the test strip. Do not apply it to the flat surface. The meter will then begin its countdown and display the result. Once your meter displays a result, it's time to interpret it. Look at the OneTouch Verio test strip vial. You'll find the acceptable control solution range printed on its label. Compare the number shown on your meter to this specific range. If your meter's reading falls within these numbers, your system is working correctly. If it's outside this range, it indicates a potential issue that needs attention. You should perform a control solution test in several situations. When you open a new vial of test strips, if you suspect your meter is not working correctly, or if you have dropped your meter. If your result is out of range, first retest using a new strip and fresh control solution. If it remains out of range, contact customer service for assistance. Remember to store your control solution at room temperature, between 36 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.